So good afternoon. First, you tell me, do you have any question regarding the viewport command or viewport tool? Can you use
স্যার
viewports in your drawing? Yes.
বলছি স্যার ওই
Yes, yes.
যে ড্যাশ লাইনগুলো আছে ওটা ওই
Hmm.
ভিউ কোডে যখন দিচ্ছিলাম স্যার ড্যাশ আসছিল না, ওটা কি স্যার ওই মানে স্কেলের জন্য হচ্ছিল?
Yes. So
স্টেট
basically,
মানে
we have to change. Yes. If you want to share your screen at that time, I may help you. Also, it is for all. Sometimes for center line or dashed line, you cannot see the gap between the lines. Okay. At that time, what you have to do, you have to use or you have to change one thing that is called line type scale. Okay, so you have to change the line type scale. Right clicking the object, you can go to properties, and from there you can change the line type scale. There you have to vary the value so that that line is visible in your viewport or in your drawing. Okay, so I will try to demonstrate that thing today. Okay, if you want to share your screen at that time also, I may help.
স্যার আমি শেয়ার করছি।
Hmm.
দেখা যাচ্ছে স্যার?
Yes, yes.
হ্যালো
Yes, yes. Your screen is visible.
স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার, এটা ড্যাশ দিয়ে ড্যাশ লাইন দিয়ে করা আছে লেয়ার দিয়ে, কিন্তু এটা স্যার ওই মানে কন্টিনিউয়াস লাইনে চলে এসছে।
Okay, right click, go to properties,
এই
select that object, select the line, right click, go to properties.
স্যার
Properties. Here you will find 1,
হ্যাঁ
2,
গিয়েছি স্যার,
3, 4.
এটা এসছে।
Number 4, line type scale. You see, value is 1 there. No,
এটা
no, the first thing only. Yes, yes. Now, by changing the value, suppose we are putting here 0.25. Put any value, say 0.25, 0.25, say.
আচ্ছা
Okay, close it, close the window. Have you press enter? Okay, no problem. Yes. Escape.
ওকে স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার হয়েছে এবার।
Okay, so this way you have to
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
change the value. Sometimes you have to put a lower value than 1 or higher value than 1 to see or to get the effect of your central line or dash line there. Okay, it is for all, the instruction is for all. So you have to change the line type scale, and by changing that thing, you can control the gap between that segments, line segments.
স্যার
Okay.
অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা তো এইরকমই জমা করে দিয়েছি, কোনো প্রবলেম হবে স্যার?
Okay, no problem. There is no problem because I also probably you have submitted the AutoCAD file, right?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
So in
ইয়েস
that
স্যার।
AutoCAD file, I can check whether
ওকে
you
স্যার,
have
থ্যাংক
used the
ইউ।
proper layer or not. I can check there. But for future drawings, you may control from your line type scale by changing the value. You may control that thing. Understand?
ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ
Now,
স্যার।
any other
ইয়েস
problem
স্যার।
you faced?
হ্যালো স্যার।
Any other? Yes. Yes, Krishna.
স্যার বলছি আমি যদি ভিউ পোর্টে যদি স্কেলটা না চেঞ্জ করে আমি জাস্ট স্ক্রল করে জুম করে দিই তাহলে কি কোনো প্রবলেম হবে?
No, no, no. When you are doing the zooming in or out, basically you are changing the scale. Understand?
ওকে,
When you will take the viewport
ইয়েস স্যার।
toolbar there, if you zoom in or zoom out, that value will be changed. So when you are zooming in or out, basically you are taking one arbitrary scale there. Understand? So, but we need one standard scale there. So that is why in our last class I asked you to maintain the standard scale by changing the value there from your viewport toolbar. Understand, Krishna?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you may zoom in or zoom out, but when you will fit your drawing in your viewport for final submission, at that time you should take understand?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I'll do it later.
Okay. Any other problem? Any other problem from anyone? So there is no problem to understand the viewport. Yes, understand. Now today also we'll work on viewport. We'll take another drawing. So today we'll not make anything new, but we'll use the existing commands, or we'll use the viewport concept, and we will try to draw that thing. So I am sharing the screen with you. Probably you can see the drawing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this drawing you have to make. Basically here for this drawing you have to make two viewports. In one viewport, say one rectangular viewport, with large rectangular viewport, you have to make this drawing. Though in this drawing the line thickness values are, or it looks like same thickness, but basically you have to use different layers to make the drawing. So here, 1 minute, I am copying this thing. Okay. If you see the drawing, basically your drawing is like this. So I am overwriting this. Can you follow it? So this is your drawing. There is one radius. Here, this line is your thick line. This part, though it is drawn using say dashed line, you can draw it. Sometimes we use thin line to make it. Okay. This part, basically this part is highlighted at this position, right? Understand? The circle mark part is highlighted here at the bottom. So you have to take two viewports. In one viewport, you will show the whole thing. You'll put the dimensions, all the things here, but it should be in paper space, not in model space. If you put the dimension model space, the same dimension will be visible here also. Okay. So that is why you should use paper space for dimensioning, and you have to take another viewport or separate viewport here, where you will show this part of the drawing at this position. So scale for this, say for example, scale of this drawing, say, depending on your paper size, you may decide, say it is 1:1. For this one, scale may be 2:1 or say 5:1 like this, depending on the space available in your drawing sheet. Is it clear? All the dimensions, say 10, 7, 5, the written dimensions are there. So you have to use that thing. Only thing you may not understand here, M12 into 1.75. M12 means here it should be, this dimension should be 12 millimeter. Okay. And this dimension from here, sorry, this dimension should be 12 into 0.85 millimeter. Understand? That is the meaning of M12 into 1.75. Here basically this is thread, metric thread with 12 millimeter nominal diameter. So this is the nominal diameter. 1.75 is called the pitch. So in your drawing, this pitch is not visible. So for the designation purpose only, we have used this thing. So you have to draw two lines making 12 millimeter gap. Basically, in your side view, there should be one circle corresponding to these two lines. Okay. So that is the meaning of M12 into 1.75. All other things, say this one, 2.7 thread relief, THD, basically the short form of thread relief. So here the gap should be 2.7 millimeter. Understand? This gap should be 2.7. Okay. I think for all other dimensions, information is also complete and you can make it.
Point
is there any problem to understand this thing?
0.85
No, basically this, when at that time you will learn how to calculate the, this is called major dia, minor dia, nominal dia. So these are the diameters related to nominal dia. Okay, related to one thread. So basically, I think you did not learn different types of threads in your drawing class, right? Have you learned that thing?
No, sir.
Nut, bolt, stud, these components. Do you know these components?
Yeah, know this component.
Probably,
in,
I think
in the workshop class.
Workshop class, you learned some of the terms of a thread. Anyway, for our drawing class, basically we need to get the dimensions of this thing. So here 12 millimeter is basically nominal diameter. To get the minor diameter, generally we take 85% of that nominal diameter to calculate the minor diameter. So this is basically the minor diameter. Okay. I think this information is enough to make the drawing here. Okay, 1.75 is pitch value, but in this drawing, this pitch is not shown. So you cannot see that thing. Understand? So to make this drawing in one viewport, in other viewport, you have to make this part only. Basically, you have to show this part only in this viewport with a large scale so that we can see the details of the this segment of this part here in this viewport. Is it clear?
Sir, pitch means center to center distance, na?
No, no. Basically, in thread, it's not like this. Your thread may be like this. Understand? If you see one bolt or say one nut, you will find this type of helical groups are there. Say this is the center line of this thing. Okay. pitch is basically, if I consider this point corresponding or next corresponding point in the next thread, this distance, axial distance, is basically called pitch. Okay, so in the thread, when you learn the threads, you will learn this pitch value. So when we try to designate one thread, we put this information, the nominal diameter and also the pitch value, so that we can make the threads in our workshop. Okay, so for that purpose, we try to designate the threads in this way. So here pitch is 1.75, but in the given drawing, that pitch is not shown in the drawing, right? So that is why when you will try, when you write it, at that time you will write M5, but in your drawing, 1.75 dimension is not there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how much time will it take to complete this thing?
Sir, 1 week.
1 week. I thought today only you will complete that thing, this drawing. After that, we may start a new thing. Basically, after this viewport, we'll learn two things. Okay. One will be block command. With this block, we have to make one assignment. Another one is your ISO drawings. Okay. So with these two, there should be two assignments. After that, from the syllabus, we will complete the syllabus. After that, if you want, in AutoCAD, there is one programming language. So that is optional to you. In the examination or in the evaluation purpose, that part may not be there. But if you want to learn that programming language associated with AutoCAD, then we may take some classes on that. So that is up to you. That is optional. Clear? So in next two classes, we'll try to complete block and isometric drawings. After that, you have to appear for a test. And if you want to learn AutoLISP or Visual Lisp, the programming language associated with this AutoCAD software, then we'll take some extra classes. Okay, you decide, you let me know whether you want to learn it.
Okay, sir.
So after December, after the completion of this year.
No. I think in next two classes means today is 8, 15 and 15 is, I think, is there any holiday on 15th?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, maybe short.
Okay. No, Chhath is on 10th, I think.
Sorry, that's a Birsa Munda Jayanti, something like that. Not.
Okay, on 15th?
হ্যাঁ বিশ্ব মুন্ডার জন্মদিন আছে।
Maybe I do not know. Okay. Anyway,
Red
I'll be available in the university. If you want to do the class, if you do not have any problem, if you want to do the class, I can take. Basically, to complete these two block and ISO drawing, there should be two assignments. So if you do the class on 15, so I can at least explain one command then, at least block command. On that day, you may complete that thing. Then only one assignment ISO drawing or isometric drawing on 22nd we can complete. But on if you want to take the class on holidays, so the decision should be unanimous whether you want to do the class or not. Okay. If somebody has some problems, please let me know. Otherwise, we may take the class on 15th also. Basically, I have the permission to come in the university, so there is no problem to take the class here. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you try, if you want to enjoy the holiday, there is no from 2:30. There is also no problem. I can take the class. As you know, there are two assignments left. We have to complete these two assignments. As early as you complete, So you are free. After that, you are also, I think that part is optional. If you want to learn that programming language, you please contact me or you please let me know. Otherwise, you are free. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today, you may not confirm the date. Later on also, you may call me, you may confirm the date, whether you want to do the class on 15th, but the decision should be unanimous. Okay. Chobi, you take the decision of the class. Now you please let me know whether you want to do the class on 15th. So I have no problem. I'll be here in the university only. Okay. Now regarding this assignment, do you have any question? Any problem? Any dimension you do not understand?
Sir, please you open the assignment once again.
Yes. This is the assignment. Okay. So
Sir,
I will
there-
upload this assignment in the Google Play. Yes.
Sir, what is the distance between the dashed line and upper thick line?
From here to here? This one?
Yes, sir.
This part?
Yes.
You're talking about this part?
Yes, sir.
So here also you see, you can see from here also you may calculate it, 0.7 into 45. So you may take one chamfering distance of 0.7 here. Taking this point, you can make this thing 45-degree angle. So you will get this point, this corner point. Okay. From here also you may draw one line. Another thing what you may do, you know 12 millimeter, 12 into 0.85. That should be the diameter of this one from here to here. So in both ways you can do it. There is no problem. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Any other confusion? Do you know when the sessional classes will be dissolved?
No, sir.
You do not have the academic calendar of this year?
$18th December. Oh, 12.
18 December. December 12th. Okay. So we have some time. Okay. So if you want to learn Autoliv software or programming language, so we have some times. In 2 classes or 2 or 3 classes, we may learn the basics of Autoliv if you want. Okay. Any other question related to this assignment? So for this assignment also, you have to use A4 template. You have to submit 2 files, one in PDF, one in DWG format, drawing format. Understand? In 2 formats, you have to upload your assignments in Google Classroom.
Sir, in assignment 1,
So
I
I'm
have
giving 1
uploaded
week
the
time. By
DWT
next
file.
or November, you have to submit it.
Sir, in the assignment 1, I have submitted DWT file. Is that there any problem?
DWT, there is no problem, but you try to save or you have try to save the file in DWG. DWT, I also open that file. So there is no problem. But basically, when we try to save our drawing, we save in drawing format, DWG format. DWT is basically template format. Okay. But already you have submitted, there is no problem. I can open that file, I can check.
Okay, sir.
Sir, for this viewport option should be on or off?
Printing should be off. Printing of the viewport boundary should be off. Here also you see in the drawing, viewport boundaries are not there. Understand? But here you have to mention two different scales. Scale for this drawing, also scale for this one. So separately you have to mention the scales of this viewport and also this viewport.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Now please let me know. If you start the drawing right now, there is no problem. Here I may help you. If you want to make the drawing later on also, I have no problem. Later on also you may complete that thing. As you wish. Are you coming after 16th?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that should be physical class or your virtual class only?
I think virtual will continue.
Okay. Till date, I do not have any information whether the classes will be in offline mode or not. But I am hopeful that you will be coming here and you will learn, or you will use our laboratories and you will learn it. Anyway, let us see what happens.
Sir, if there
But
is
if
no
you want
notice,
to,
if there is no
yes,
notice for offline classes, then is it
yes,
continue to laboratory or personal আমরা
see,
যদি নিজেরা চাই
till
আর কি
date,
যে
I am understand your, I understand your point. If you, your point is, if you want to come, is there any problem?
yes sir.
Right? So I think, you see, to use the laboratory should be open. For the laboratory, there should be one laboratory assistant like this. And from the department, there should be some notice, yes, you open the laboratory for the students. Okay. So that information should be there. Otherwise, you may come, the laboratory may be closed. That is the problem. See, every day I come here in the university, from my point, there is no problem. To your laptop or like this, if you want to sit in my room to show something or to clear your doubts, I have no problem. But for the whole class, if I want to take the class here in the offline mode, I think that is not permitted. Okay. So university should ask me, you take the offline mode classes. Okay. Then only I can take it. For 2-3 students, always I can accommodate that thing. For the all students, from the university, from the authority, there should be some instruction. Then only I can take it. Understand? I think my point is clear to you.
স্যার
Okay.
আমার অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা আমি
Yes.
2-3 জয়েন করেছি 3 না 5
আমি কারো অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সই নিচ্ছি একটু পরে নিচ্ছি।
ওকে স্যার
First you clear your doubts or your confusions, then I will take the attendance. Understand? Now tell
অনেক
me,
সময়
do you
যখন
have
আমি
any
হ্যাচ মার্ক দিতে যাই তখন দেখা যায়
হ্যাঁ।
দ্য বাউন্ডারি ইজ নট প্রপারলি বাট আমি আমি দেখতে
Yes.
পাচ্ছি বাউন্ডারিটা ক্লোজড কিন্তু ওরা বলছে বাউন্ডারিটা
না
ক্লোজড হয়
there is a problem. There is a problem means basically by when you are looking at the figure, it seems the boundary is closed. To make the hatch, there should be one closed boundary. Okay, that area should be closed. If there is one opening, your hatch will come out from that thing, or there will be some problem to make the hatch. So first you ensure that your area is closed area. Then only it is possible to make the boundary hatch. Understand? Maybe when you zoom in with higher scale, at that time you may see the gap there. When the scale is low, then it may not be possible to see the gap between the lines. Okay, so you have to make the closed boundary. Inside that you can make the hatch. Understand, Prabal?
Yes, sir.
So that is one criteria to make the hatch. Boundary should be closed. Okay, any other problem? Okay, Soumodip De Modok. Soumodip,
Present, sir.
are you
Present,
here?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ankit, yes. I have seen Ankit. Probal present. Pronoy Sarkar. Has he left? Shovik, do you know Pronoy Sarkar? Only first 2 classes. Okay, anyway. Dora, Binit. He joined, but somehow he left, I think. Shivam Mondol. Shostik.
Yes, sir.
Shostik. Okay.
Present, sir.
Shreyoshi De. Okay, Shostik, I have marked you present. Shostik, okay. Shreyoshi De. Shovik, do you know Shreyoshi De? She is here or she has left? Okay, only one class he attended. She attended. Okay. Amon Kumar Singh. Shantanu. Shreyas Tripathi.
Present, sir.
Suchandrima.
Present, sir.
Oishik. Suchandrima present. Yes, yes, present. Oishik. Devmallo.
Present, sir.
Okay. Ritom.
Present, sir.
Ritom. Yes.
Present, sir.
Ranojit.
Yes, sir.
Ritom, yes, yes. Krishna present. Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Deep present. Shumon.
Yes, sir.
Deep present, yes. Shumon Acharya. Shovik present. Ramiz Ahmed.
Present, sir.
Present, I think. Yes. Okay. Shagnik.
Present, sir.
Present. Sumit Shaha. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sumit Shaha.
Yes, sir.
Satyajit Poddar. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Satyajit Poddar, yeah, present. Kamal Purajai present. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Kamal.
Can I share
Okay.
my screen?
Now please. Yes, no problem.
Yeah. That's the drawing. So if
Yes.
I want to give
Yes,
hatch
yes.
mark, it's a closed boundary there.
Hmm.
But if I want to give the hatch mark, then yeah, আচ্ছা oops, sorry. এটা এখন ঠিকঠাক কাজ করছে, কেন কাজ করছিল না জানি না। না তখন আর কি এর ভেতরটা তো ওই
ঠিক আছে,
এইখানটা
করবে,
একটা
কাজ
লাইন
করবে।
পড়ে যাচ্ছে। আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
করবে।
আর অনেক সময় হয় ধরুন
দেখে না,
ওই
তখন দেখবে, অনেক সময় দেখবে চেষ্টা। হ্যাঁ বলো
অনেক সময় কোনো একটা লাইনকে আমি যখন
বলো
ট্রিম
আরেকবার
করি,
বলো।
when I am trying to trim a line, that the trimming is not properly done. Some extensions are kept like just okay. I'm just trying to say. Yeah, that's if I want to trim, that whole part is not trimming, just that part is trimming. Why it's happening? The whole part should be trimmed out.
No, there should be one, I think, boundary. That is why it is showing like that.
No, there is no boundary. That's black. And if I have to trim, I have to click that all three part, and it's showing that it cannot be trimmed also. That's a blocking mark.
No. This part cannot be trimmed because there is no boundary. Only one segment of the line is there. You have to delete that thing, or you have, erase that thing. Erasing is working there.
Yes, yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay, basically to trim one object, there should be one boundary. Then only you can do it.
Okay, okay. That's it also happening that that's a part and that's a part. Both two parts are there.
Okay, probably in your trimming settings, there is some problem.
Yeah, that may be. And the
Yes.
maybe for the OSNAP mode, I think. No.
No, not for the OSNAP mode. Basically, it is trimming only say 5 millimeter or 10 millimeter like this one distance. Basically, it's maintaining. Probably in the setting, you have to change something. So I need to check that thing, what type of setting you have made in your trim option.
Yes, sir.
OSNAP is not basically it will make any problem there. But in trim option, there should be some setting. You take again trim, enter, select object, yes. You select the object or cutting edge. You make the cutting edge, not this line, the vertical line, yes, vertical line. Select that line, yes, enter. Yes, now you try to trim your object. Now can you delete or trim the whole thing, whole part? You try to, yes. Is it working now? I think, is it okay now, right?
Yeah, I have seen from that from net that if I select the trim command and double enter, then you will I am able to erase the extended part of that line which are extended.
See, there
That
are different
double enter
shortcuts
means
of
something, I think.
different. Understand, there are some different shortcuts of the commands. But when we learn the software, at that time we follow the instructions given in the command line. Okay. Later on, you may explore different shortcuts. Say, for example, Control C, Control V. All we know. Okay. But basically, from the edit, you have to take Control C or copy or paste option, right? So here also in AutoCAD commands, there are different shortcuts. So you use those things, but please do not forget the basic. If you face any problem there using that shortcut, please follow the instructions there in your command line. Understand? You may use the shortcut, but at the same time, you follow the command line when you face some problems there. When
And
you are
one
following
thing,
the command line, at that time you see, yes.
And one thing, if I want to
Yes.
give a wall that all that line, a 250 mm offset I want to give to the whole boundary of the plot area, I think.
Okay, no problem.
Carpet
250
area.
millimeter
So
should be
if
the gap.
I want to give offset, I have to give all these small parts, that one, all are small lines are there. That's not a
Yes,
polyline.
yes.
So what
Yes.
should I do?
So you
I have
have
to give
used
all
line
the
command.
yeah.
No, basically you see, to make the offset, you have to select the object. If you use one P line option or polyline command to make those lines, then by clicking once, you may select the whole thing. In offset, you
But
need
while
to
drawing,
select the object.
I was drawing in line mode and small offsets, and I am doing just say that I have
Understand.
drawn this line, that this is a distance of 1500. So I have given that command of 1500 and I have
Understood.
offsetted this small line to this small line to that and extended.
Understand.
Yes. So that's small lines are there. So if I want to offset the whole boundary, so that's a time consuming process. Is there any
Understand. So
Yeah.
one thing is, if there is no problem to convert the lines to polyline, then you may convert the line to polyline.
Yeah, how can I do
What you
that?
can see, you can break one point, you can also join. Probably in one class I have shown how to
Yeah,
join
the
the
explode
lines.
was the
So you may
breaking.
join say 2 lines to make 1 line. Yes, explore is breaking, also break command is there, break at a point. Okay, again what you can do, you may join the line. So command is join, JYN, join. So using join command you can join different lines there. Then you select 2 lines, this 1 line. Okay, make say 3 lines together.
Sir, is this command available in 2007?
Yes, join command is available. Now see the whole thing. There were 4 lines, now there is 1 line. So you can make it, but sometimes due to your say problem, convert the lines to a single line. So that is up to you. But if you want to use your offset command, so you need to select the lines. If there are small segments of the lines, so you need to select those lines. Okay.
Yes. Then if I offset the small line, and then can I use the hash mark? Then maybe a small gapping may be there.
See, no, when your line is perfect, there should be no gap. When you are making the lines at that time, your selection of the point should be perfect. Then there should be no gap. Understand?
Yeah. Okay. Yes,
So,
sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any other problem?
হ্যালো স্যার।
Yes.
স্যার আমি ওই আগের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটাকে ওই স্কেল চেঞ্জ না করে জাস্ট ওই মানে জুম করে দিয়ে দিয়েছিলাম, তো ওটাকে চেঞ্জ করে দেবো?
দিও, সঙ্গে একটা নোট দিয়ে দিও। মানে আমার যখন চেক করবো তখন তুমি যে কথাটা আমাকে বললে যে আমি স্যার ওটা করে ভুল করে আমি পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছিলাম, সেটা তো আমার মাথায় থাকবে না। বাট ইউ পুট ওয়ান প্রাইভেট কমেন্ট দেয়ার, হোয়াট তোমার যেটা ঘটে তোমার সঙ্গে, যে আমি তখন এইরকম করে পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছি, এখন আমি আবার এটা আপলোড করছি আপনার সঙ্গে কথা বলার পরে, দেন আই মে রিকল দ্য ইস্যু, দেন আই মে কনসিডার দ্যাট থিং। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড?
ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
বুঝতে পারলাম আমি কি বললাম?
ইয়েস স্যার।
ওকে।
আর আমার ওই ভিউ কোডটাকে ওই আনভিউ করা হয়নি, ওটা কি আর করতে হবে না পরের গুলো থেকে করে দেবো?
এখন করে ফেলে পরের গুলোতে করে দিও।
ওকে স্যার।
Any other problem? So if you do not have any other problem or any question, then you may leave. We may complete our class today here only. Okay. So if you want to do the class on 15, please let me know. Okay. পরে আমাকে জানিয়ে দিও। সৌভিক তুমি জানিয়ে দিও আমাকে। মানে তোমার এমনি কি সমস্যা
এটা সেন্ড করব কবে
কাজ করতে? জানি না। মানে এটা
হ্যালো স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, তবু একবার সবার একটু মতামত নিয়ে করো। কেউ যদি আপত্তি করে তখন বলো যে তাহলে ক্লাস নেব না, আদারওয়াইজ আই উইল টেক দ্য ক্লাস। হ্যাঁ। ওকে। দীপ কিছু বলবে? দীপ তোমার কথা শোনা যাচ্ছে না। হ্যাঁ বলো এবার।
শোনা যাচ্ছে স্যার?
হ্যাঁ এবার শোনা যাচ্ছে, বলো।
বলছি স্যার এই অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা সাবমিট করব কবে স্যার?
তোমরা বলে 7 days টাইম।
আচ্ছা স্যার।
7 দিনের মধ্যে জমা করে দেব।
ঠিক আছে স্যার, আমিও কি ওটাকে সাবমিট করে দেব আবার?
কোনটা গো? তুমি কি ভুল করেছো আমি জানি না।
ওই ড্যাশ লাইনগুলো।
না সেটা করা দরকার হবে না। হ্যাঁ পরের গুলো থেকে করো, ওটা দেখো আমি দেখে নেবো সেটা। হ্যাঁ আমি জানি যে ইউ ডু নট নো এলটিএস, লাইন টাইপ স্কেল।
ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
ঠিক আছে, ওকে ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। ওকে, আই এম লিভিং। ওকে,
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
okay, thank you very much. Okay.